How to use ORBOT to access blocked websites. Are guys facing issues to access blocked websites? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's start into the video. To access blocked websites, first of all, install ORBOT VPN on your mobile device. Once you download it, open the app. Once you open the app, you can see the tab Start button. Just simply tap on Start VPN. Wait until the onion turns green. For browsing, open the Tor browser and type the website URL you want to visit. However, I cannot access it right now. Once you get access, Tor will route your traffic so you can reach sites blocked on your network. If Tor is blocked where you are, open ORBOT settings, bridges, enable use bridges, choose OBFS4 or copy a paste bridge. Then reconnect the help bypass strict network blocks. If you want other apps to use Tor, enable the app which you can see over here. Just simply tap on choose apps and select the apps for all the options. For example, if you want to enable ORBOT to your Chrome, just simply select Chrome and tap on save. After you click on save, the Tor safety gives privacy but also can be slow. Avoid logging into sensitive contents or making payment over unknown Tor exit nodes, and follow local laws about circumventing blocks. And that's it, guys. That's how we're going to access blocked websites using ORBOT. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.